What's up, reefers, and welcome to another Reef Atlantis video. Today we're going to be doing our first reef review. In last week's Tank Time, we showed you guys a little bit about the filtration of Reef Atlantis, as well as the bulk reef supply 7-stage 200-gallon RODI system. Today we're reviewing this bad boy. Now first, let's talk about who should own one of these things. If your local fish store's water parameters don't match your own, this is for you. If you have a large tank over 75 gallons, this is for you. If every week or two you find yourself driving to the fish store to buy a bunch of water, this is for you. I can't stress this enough, but making your own water is mandatory. Depending on where you live and which store you go to, you can easily spend $20 to $30 on every water change you do. It just becomes a huge waste of time and money. This RODI unit is going to set you back $350 plus. If you have bad pressure, you need to spend another $150 for the booster pump. I know that sounds like a lot of money up front, but it's worth it to be able to make perfect water anytime you need. What I like the most about this particular RODI unit is how fast it can produce water. My home pressure is about 60 psi, which allows me to make about 5 gallons every 34 minutes or so. I also love that it has the highest filtration rating at stage 7, which ensures the best quality water for my reef tank. And finally, it's really cool that the resin actually changes colors, so I know when to change it out for a clean one. Honestly, there isn't much that I don't like about this system. After using it for almost a year, the only thing I don't like is how tight these canisters are when trying to get them off and swap them out for a new one. It comes with its own tool to give you some better leverage, but even with that, it can be a little bit of a challenge. But honestly, that's it. I really love this system and would recommend it to anyone getting into the reefing hobby. When setting it up, it comes with the equipment to run it from the faucet or directly in the sink line under the sink. I personally ran mine straight from the sink line to the unit. Setting it up was a breeze. The instructions were dummy proof. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. Using it couldn't be any easier. You simply turn the lever when you want the water on and turn it off when you don't. I wish there was more to say, but it truly is that easy. I change my filters on the RODI unit about every 6 months, but every person may be different depending on how much water you actually run through the system. For example, I use about 40 gallons a month just for my ATO, then another 40 gallons every 3 weeks for my water changes. All in all, about 960 gallons a year to run this tank efficiently. Is that bad? Is that good? Let me know in the comments what you think. And about how much do you use a year for your tank? Well, reefers, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next week.